So how do you market your Portal's 3D printing business if you're trying to get more traffic to it all the time? Well, this is different. You can do all the things that are out there. You can buy ads, you can share it around, all these kind of things. But let's get a lot more tactical about this. Portals is a link to a product listing. That's all a portal is. A portal is just a link, a URL you can share around. The easiest option is if you are already a 3D designer and you have some following on Instagram or TikTok, add a portals to your link tree. Add your favorite products to the link tree. Add them to comments inside of your things page and that kind of thing. So anybody who wants to buy an actual print of your design can buy an actual print and you don't have to worry about it. It's a really quick, easy, clean way of just getting distribution of 3D prints in a way that's never been possible before. But if you're not a designer and you don't have a following, this is the thing that you probably need to do. Again, Portals is designed for social media, so share it around. Start building the story, telling the story around your product. If you don't have a social media presence, this is how you do it. As you are designing the product, film it, describe it. You don't have to even talk on the video. Just show it on screen as you're designing away. Show parts going out in the mail. Reach out to Slant 3D and say, hey, can I get a picture of this part as it's being packed up? We'll probably try to help you. And just do basic things to have people understand who you are and why you're doing this. You designed this product for a reason. Explain that reason and how you came to it. Just be truthful and honest and clear, and that helps you grow your portal. You can also put these stories into the portal description itself. It helps a lot. In the portal description, you can link to things like YouTube videos where you explain what the thing is. All of these things are available. So if you don't understand social media and marketing, just tell your story. We have had people who have sold through Teleport and Portals who have sold hundreds of thousands of dollars of merchandise just by making TikTok videos that just honestly and sincerely told what the product was for. So just speak honestly and sincerely. Now, on a smaller scale, if you are making something really specific for like a particular niche, look inside of forums. You design something and instead of sharing simply the file for everybody to print, make it open to anyone else. Share a link to a portal and then anyone else in that forum who needs the spare part for the 1963 Ford pickup truck can go ahead and go buy that part. And it's quick and easy and you get a kickback from it. Those are simple ways of getting portals out there. Share them around, explain them, tell your story, or if you already have a following, just share it with your following. These are all easy ways to get traffic to portals. Now, even simpler ways, if you do not want to do social at all, you can share an Instagram post, and then once you have an Instagram post, you can do what is called a boosted post, where you add a link to it, and then you can pay like $5 and say, show this to some more people. And that's a way to advertise a portal. Post a link with your portal there, boost that post, and then people scrolling through Instagram can go straight to your portal from there. So there are a lot of ways of getting this done to where you can advertise and grow portals. There is existing followers, gains your own followers, share around inside of small groups and communities, or just go ahead and pay for ads through things like boosted posts on social. But a lot of them are focused on social because the social media will also give more credence to your portals. It'll show off what they are, give people a place to give customer reactions to it, that kind of thing. Because social media is the main way that people are shopping anymore, and it's a great place to put a portal. Have a great day, everybody.